Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for data analysis. So just tap on my ChatGPT and make sure you will have signed in, and how to use this ChatGPT for data analysis. And I will just attach from here, which is top left corner bottom. You will just attach your file or data. I will just select my data randomly to show you how it's work, and when it's uploaded of my downloaded. So I will just ask it for ChatGPT that interpret this data and shows the details. And every column. So I just tab on it and attach my data on ChatGPT. It will analyzing, and after analyzing completely, it will show the whole result. So the uploaded file contains transactions data with the following columns, 41 in total. Here's a brief description of the columns and their data. So here you will see there are 5 rows sample data. So here is a date and time of the transaction. So this is how you can just data analysis. You will see the column names also shows date, time zone, name, type, status, currency, gross, fee, net, and there are many you will see. So this is how you can just data analysis on ChatGPT easily. Just attach your file from the Excel and which you have, and just ask it for data analysis and show the details of every column. Thank you. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.